I get a lot of questions asking me about what are the best skills you have to learn if you want to make money online. This is going to be a very quick video. I recently started collaborating with GigRadar, which is a tool that I've been using for years to get clients online for my web design agency and my marketing agency. And they basically work with thousands of agencies all over the world. And they were nice enough to give me this document with the best performing niches in 2025 across the whole year. So I'm just gonna give you some quick comments and show you the data. We're not going to see everything because there's a lot of information here. But if you've ever wondered how you can start making money online, what are the best ways to make money online, then you're going to like this one. Actually, most months are really similar. So what we're going to see is a list of the skills that people are selling, and then how many projects and earnings people inside of the trader make. Consistently, there's 2 or 3 categories that make the most money. So you have digital marketing and you have web development. If you've been following me for a while, you know that web development is what I specialized in and then switched into digital marketing. So I actually offer both. And I did that for a reason. And it's because a lot of people, a lot of companies need websites, and almost every company in the world needs marketing. So those are like the 2 biggest niches right now in the freelancing world. You have other stuff like video production or video editing, which are like, okay, you still have some projects, but there's not as much money to be made. Same with just being a UX designer. So you want to be able to actually build the websites instead of just designing them. So this is what I teach on my web design course, even though I call it web design, but we do build websites. And then things like email marketing actually growing a lot. Software development in general is not as big as web development. So websites are bigger than software in general. And this pattern is good to repeat across every other month. Okay. So, for example, in the week of the 14th of April to the 21st, that's like the biggest niches. Following week, actually mobile app dev. Then you have marketing and digital marketing, which are the same. So they basically get up here. Web development was a bit slower this week. But yeah, then digital marketing, web development, and UX design. And then everything else is like way lower. Digital marketing, web design, web development, graphic design. Sometimes I don't really recommend graphic design anymore because there's a lot of competition and you have things like cloud design, but there's still a lot of money to be made. People just don't want to mess with designing their own stuff themselves. So they do hire people to do this for them. Digital marketing, UX design, web development, video production started being a bit bigger. And I don't have the data, but I do believe 2026 is going to be a really good year for video production. But I mean, I don't know if we need to go much further. I can just make this very quick video, but that's kind of what you can expect. So if you work in this really with digital marketing, you're going to make really good money. If you work in web development or web design, normally you make like pretty good money as well. Design is not bad at all. And then basically everything else is going to be like way hard to monetize. The only exception, it doesn't show up here because they like GigRadar doesn't work with these kind of people, is sales. Sales will be another fantastic skill to learn in order to make money. So if I had to rank everything, I would say digital marketing is the first thing that you should learn, which is something that I cover in my web design course. Web design and development will be number 2, and then sales. Those will be like my top 3 if I have to choose something to start making money online in 2026. And notice that this is very recent data. This is data after AI came out, after AI started taking away jobs. And this is just freelancing data, by the way. And it's just a small platform that works with several agencies. So the overall market is way bigger, obviously. But this is very representative of the market as a whole. There's a lot of money to be made still in digital marketing, in web development, and web design and sales. And that's because people don't want to. So a business owner doesn't want to become an expert at AI or websites or marketing. They just want to do what they do. And so they will hire you to solve these problems for them. They don't want to mess with running Facebook ads or setting up a WordPress page or figuring out why the hell their server is going slower right now or if they are hacked or something like that. They hire experts. And if you become that expert, then you're going to have more money than you know what to do with. So I hope that was useful. I'm going to leave in the description a link to the tool itself, to GigRadar, which is a tool that I use to win clients on Upwork. I've been using them for years. I'm going to leave a link to my web design course in case you're interested in joining the ranks of people making money out of this. And then I'm also going to leave a link to my guide on the best 15 skills you can learn in 2026 to make money online. They're very similar to these ones, but I did more details in there, tell you where to start, how to learn for free, and overall just give you a ton of resources on that guide. So I hope that's useful and see you in the next video.